Jasper and Copy.ai are often compared, but they are built for different kinds of writing work. Both tools promise faster writing and fewer blank pages. Both can help when ideas feel stuck. But once they are used regularly, the differences become clear. This comparison explains how each tool works in real situations and which one makes more sense depending on the task. Think about the last time something had to be written fast. It could have been a blog post, an email, an ad, or social media captions. The pressure usually feels the same. Time is short, ideas feel messy. The goal is to get clear words on the page. That is where AI writing tools help. But should the tool help shape a full piece from start to finish? Or should it just give quick ideas and drafts? That question already points to the difference between these two tools. Which type of help sounds more useful right now? Jasper is designed to act like a writing partner that stays with the work for longer. It is made for people who want to plan, write, edit, and improve content in one place. The editor supports long pieces like blog posts, guides, and articles. Once context is given, it tries to stay on track across many paragraphs. This helps when writing content that needs flow and structure. Have you ever noticed how hard it is to keep the same tone from the start of an article to the end? Copy.ai works differently. It focuses on speed and short bursts of content. It offers many prompts that create quick drafts and ideas. The goal is to move fast. Instead of building one long piece, it creates many small ones. This is useful when a lot of copy is needed quickly. Ads, captions, and short emails fit this style well. Would having many quick options help finish tasks faster? When it comes to long writing, Jasper has a clear edge. It lets content grow step by step while remembering what came before. This makes full articles feel more connected. Commands help move the writing forward when ideas slow down. This is helpful for blogs, guides, and SEO content. Have you ever found the middle of an article harder to write than the beginning? Copy.ai can create longer content, but it is not its main strength. Long pieces often need to be built by joining many short outputs. Each part may sound fine, but the flow between them often needs extra work. For short content, this is not a problem. For long articles, it can take more time to fix. This makes Copy.ai better for content that stands alone, like ads or product descriptions. Templates are a big part of how Copy.ai works. It offers many ready-made templates for specific tasks. There are templates for ads, emails, headlines, and more. This makes starting easy. Fill in a few details and get several versions right away. This feels helpful when speed matters. Would starting with a clear template make writing feel less stressful? Jasper has fewer templates, but they are more flexible. They are meant to support bigger writing tasks, not just single lines of copy. Combined with custom commands, this gives more control over how content grows. The trade-off is that it takes longer to learn. New users may need time to understand how to guide it well. But once learned, it can feel very powerful. Would spending more time learning a tool be worth it for better results later? Brand voice is another key difference. Jasper includes tools that help remember tone and style. This helps keep content consistent over time. For brands that publish often, this saves editing time and keeps the voice steady. Have you ever noticed how mixed tones can make content feel less trustworthy? Copy.ai also allows tone choices, but they usually need to be set each time. This works well for one-off tasks or different campaigns. But keeping the same voice across many pieces takes more effort. For short projects, this may not matter much. For long-term content plans, it can slow things down. SEO is another area where the tools differ. Jasper fits well into SEO writing workflows. It supports structured writing that matches search intent and keyword goals. This helps when creating content meant to rank over time. AI alone cannot guarantee rankings, but structure helps. Have you ever wondered why some articles feel more focused than others? Copy.ai does not focus heavily on SEO. It can create SEO-friendly text, but it does not guide the full process. This is a design choice. The tool focuses more on marketing speed. For ads and emails, SEO is often not the main goal anyway. So the question becomes simple. Is search traffic important for this content? Ease of use matters a lot. Copy.ai is very easy to start with. Most users can create usable content within minutes. The layout is simple and clear. This makes it friendly for beginners and busy teams. Jasper needs more guidance. It works best when prompts are clear and detailed. This takes practice, but the results often improve with experience. Which kind of learning feels more realistic right now? Automation is another point to consider. Copy.ai includes strong workflow tools. These help automate repeated tasks, like writing similar copy for many products. This is helpful for teams handling large volumes of content. Jasper supports teamwork too, but its main strength is content depth, not automation speed. Pricing also affects the choice. Jasper is usually priced higher. This reflects its focus on long-form writing and team features. For businesses that rely on content marketing, the cost can make sense. Copy.ai often has lower-cost options and free plans. This makes it easier to try, especially for individuals or small teams. Does budget play a big role in this decision? Editing style is another difference. Jasper supports rewriting and improving content within the same document. This fits well with editing and polishing workflows. Copy.ai is better at creating new versions rather than refining one deeply. This changes how writers use the tool. Do you prefer to improve one draft or choose from many fresh options? In real use, these differences stand out. Teams writing blogs and guides often prefer Jasper because it supports long writing. Teams creating ads and emails often prefer Copy.ai because it is fast. Neither choice is wrong. They solve different problems. There is also the question of focus. Long writing needs steady attention. Jasper supports that by keeping everything in one place. Short writing benefits from quick energy. Copy.ai supports that by removing setup steps. Which kind of creative flow feels more familiar? Over time, the choice becomes about habits. If most work involves short copy and fast campaigns, Copy.ai fits better. If the work involves building authority through long content, Jasper becomes more useful. This usually becomes clear after regular use. There is also something else that matters, and it often shows up only after weeks of use. It is not about features or pricing. It is about how each tool affects focus and mental effort over time. Writing is not just about words, it is about energy. And different tools quietly shape how that energy gets used. Have you ever noticed how some tools feel helpful at first, then slowly start to feel heavy? With Jasper, the work happens before the writing starts. Clear direction is needed. The tool responds best when the goal, tone, and structure are already understood. For writers who enjoy planning, this feels natural. For others, it can feel like extra thinking before any words appear. Over time, this can slow momentum, not because the tool is weak, but because it asks for steady attention. The writing becomes strong, but the mental load stays high. Copy.ai creates the opposite feeling. The words appear fast. Many versions show up at once. This feels light and exciting in the beginning, but later the effort shifts. The work becomes choosing, trimming, and deciding which version fits best. Too many options can quietly drain focus. Progress can slow, not from lack of ideas, but from too many to sort through. Have you ever felt stuck even when plenty of choices were available? This is why some people switch tools months later, not because the writing is poor, but because the tool no longer fits how their mind wants to work. Understanding this early helps set better expectations and leads to better choices in the long run. It is also important to remember that AI tools do not replace thinking. They help create drafts and ideas, but direction still matters. Clear prompts lead to better results. Have you noticed how AI improves when guided well? In the end, Jasper and Copy.ai are built with different goals. One focuses on long, connected content. The other focuses on fast, short outputs. Knowing this helps set the right expectations. So the real question is simple. Is the work about depth and structure or speed and volume? Once that answer is clear, choosing the right tool becomes much easier. If this comparison helped, consider following for more clear breakdowns like this. Share it with someone choosing an AI writing tool, and keep exploring how writing tools continue to change the way words are created.